Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be finishing up the decorating in my dining room. But first I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about doing these videos. This is all new to me, and I kind of feel like Anne Hathaway's character in the movie The Devil Wears Prada with the interview when she says, you know, I'm not skinny, I'm not glamorous, and I don't know much about fashion, but I'm smart, I learn quickly, and I will work very hard. And that's the way I feel with doing these videos. I'm going to be working very hard to make much better videos, and I am starting to be on the videos, which I'm normally not that comfortable with showing my face on the videos. I like to be more of a behind the scenes type person, but I'm getting out there more. So just bear with me on this, and like I said, let's go ahead and get some decorating done in the dining room. Let's head on over there. Okay, so now we're over at the dining room table. I have already laid down the runner and my two topiaries. And you'll have to excuse the little bit of the sun here. I have a great big window back over here in the great room that the sun's coming through. So the next thing I want to do is I want to get my little centerpiece going in between the topiaries. So let me go grab the stuff for that. Okay, so first up I'm going to set between the two topiaries my soup tureen that looks like a cabbage. And it has a bottom plate. I'll set that there. And here is the soup tureen. There. And it does have a lid. I got this soup tureen at Goodwill a few years back. It didn't come with a label, but it was only $10, so I thought I would get it just for decorating with. Next thing I want to put in there is this cabbage that I got from Hobby Lobby many years ago. I love to use this cabbage with all my spring decorating. It always looks well with bunnies and carrots next to it also. Now I want to put in the hydrangeas like I used over on the buffet over there. So I'm just going to tuck these in the soup tureen. I'm not using any kind of styrofoam, as these are all big items that will just hold in place on their own. Next, I want to use these little pieces of greenery that I have. These are actually off of a bigger piece that I got at Hobby Lobby. I like to cut little pieces off of greenery sometimes. So you can just have small pieces to tuck in here and there. So we'll just kind of tuck this in a few spots and let it dangle. There's that. Then, I also like to use greenery picks also from Hobby Lobby. And they're great for also tucking in spots and adding a little bit of texture. So we're going to tuck that one in there, like so. Then I have these little egg picks that will tie in with the nest of eggs I have over there on the buffet. And I just want to kind of stick those in like that. So I think that that looks pretty good for that. So we'll keep it like that. And next up, I need to be getting the plates on there. So let's check that out. Okay, I've already done 5 of the place settings, and I will do this last one here on the camera. I started out with this placemat. I actually made these placemats myself. I just bought some square vinyl placemats and some greenery at Hobby Lobby, and I cut all the leaves off and I just hot glued them on. I left the middle empty like that because it's going to be covered with either a charger or a plate, and no one's going to see that. So I'm going to start off with my white charger. I got these chargers at Pier 1, and I'm pretty sure that they still have these. These are like the best chargers I've ever gotten from there. They go with so many different seasons that you can use it with. I even use them at Christmas. The next plate is my cabbage plate, and I got this cabbage plate at Home Goods. Next up, I'm going to be using this green and white rabbit plate. I don't want the rabbit to show, so what I did was I took my lacy napkin, folded it up, and I have my cabbage napkin ring, another thing I got at Pier 1. So it covers up the bunny, because I just don't want the bunny to show. But you can see all the little flowers and everything. So that's basically it. I'm not going to put any silverware on here. I did put my wine glasses, and I love these wine glasses. I don't know if you can see it, but they have like a crackle in them. And I got these from Pier 1. And I love to use them with my spring decorating. So let's see if I can get a good shot here. Like I said before, my dining room is really tiny. I am up against the door here to the patio. So this is pretty much what it looks like, just something simple, green and white, and that will do it for the dining room. Okay, so here's how the table and the buffet look together. Next to the buffet, I have my wine barrel. It's actually made out of metal and has a door on it that you can store wine in. I just put some greenery and one of my white chickens on it to tie in with the green and white. So, I am glad that you could join me today on getting this dining room finished. And I hope that you will like my video and please subscribe to it. So, wishing everybody a very happy day. Goodbye for now.